Thank you so much. My project is called Diabetes Prediction System. Actually, this project is based on Pima Indian Diabetes Dataset as required, and in this project I used logistic regression, as you see here, as a trainer model, right? This is a supervised machine learning algorithm suitable for binary classification, like this assignment we are doing. So after I also saved the model to disk using job rip. This one, you see this one, to save here to the disk. Then also finally to make this system user friendly, I used this Gradio. This Gradio here to create the user interface where user can enter or just insert data and predict whether is a diabetic or not diabetic based on this condition, right? So without spend much time, let us learn and check how it works. Yes, as you see here, after running this project, I can get link here so that I can learn it through browser, right? I click on flow link, and after running our project, this is our friendly interface, user friendly interface. As you see, you can enter your data here so that you can predict whether you are diabetic or not diabetic. For example, let me take this one. You see, I can try this one. Let me use this one here. Then also here I can use this one. Then for age I can also use like 25 age. Then after you click here, once you want to screen, you can click on this icon, but for us we submit, and as you see here, not diabetic, right? So simply this is how our project is working.